Hello there. In this video, I will show you how to hide scheduled emails in the label list on Gmail on PC with the new update. Let's get started. First, open gmail.com in your web browser. Then, from the top bar, click on the gear icon located on the right side of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. Next, click on See All Settings to access the full settings menu for your Gmail account. This will open a new window where you can customize and configure your Gmail settings. Now, in the settings menu, click on the Labels section. This section allows you to manage the labels and categories for your emails in Gmail. Scroll down until you find the Scheduled label, which is where all of your scheduled emails are stored. Click on the Hide option next to the Scheduled label to hide it from the label list in your Gmail inbox. And that's it. You have successfully hidden scheduled emails in the label list on Gmail on your PC with the new update. If you ever want to unhide them, simply repeat these steps and click on the Show option next to the scheduled label. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time, happy emailing.